Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document. First, open your PDF in a compatible viewer like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Apple Preview. Locate the signing tools, often found under a Fill and Sign or Markup option. You can then choose to type your name, draw your signature with a mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Electronic signatures are the most common method. Simply open your PDF, select the Sign or Fill and Sign tool, and then choose how you want to create your signature. You can type your name, draw it with your mouse, or upload a picture of your handwritten signature. Once created, you can drag and drop it to the desired location on your document, resizing it as needed for a perfect fit. Digital signatures offer a higher level of security and legal assurance. They use a certificate-based digital ID to verify your identity and ensure the document hasn't been tampered with after signing. This method often requires specific software and a trusted certificate authority. When a document is digitally signed, it provides strong evidence of who signed it and that the content remains unchanged. To ensure a smooth signing process, always save an original copy before you begin. Make sure your signature is clear and easy to read, whether typed or drawn. For sensitive documents, consider adding password protection after signing to enhance security. Remember, both electronic and digital signatures are legally binding in many regions, offering convenience and efficiency for your document workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.